boys and girls. I'm so glad you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. We have some special helpers today. We have Pei-Ying and Travis and Isaiah and Christiana. I have a question for all of you. Who likes cookies?
Me!
Oh! Boys and girls, do you like cookies? Well, today we're going to be making oatmeal coconut cookies. Oh, does that sound good? Okay, let's get started. Let me get my recipe because you have to have a recipe to start, don't you? That's right.
Yes.
So, okay, yeah. I've measured some of the stuff for you. So, boys, Isaiah and Travis, you put in the oatmeal. You have 2.5 cups of oatmeal. And Christiana and Pei-Ying, you can put in your flour. Go ahead, dump them in. You have 1 cup of white flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Oh, dump them in fast. Let's just dump them in.
Yeah.
Go ahead, dump them in. Dump in this one. You want to dump in the oatmeal? I got it on the wrong side there. Okay, dump them in, Christiana. Good job. Okay, now dump in your white sugar. Go ahead, dump it in. Good job.
In her oatmeal too.
Good. Dump in your brown sugar. You each have 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Christiana, you want to dump in yours?
I don't have any.
And you've got white sugar. And boys and girls, remember that when you're measuring, look at your measuring cup and make sure, because it'll say right on the handle if it's 1 cup or 1/2 cup, and you can get your mommies and daddies or maybe even grandpas and grandmas and aunts and uncles to help you.
Is this the same kind?
Yes, that's the same kind, so that's another 1/2 cup. Okay, now here's your tablespoon.
I'll mix it.
So get your tablespoon and you'll get a teaspoon. You want to find your tablespoon?
Where's my mixing?
Oh, I'll find it for you, Travis. Can you get your tablespoon? And you need to, guys, put in a tablespoon you want 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, okay? And you'll want 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, okay? And when you're measuring it, go like this. Let Miss Cinda help you. Go like this. I'll do 1 and then you do the other one. See how I scrape it off and level it?
Yep.
Okay, now do 1 more. Did you see that, Isaiah? Good job. Okay, Christiana, if you'll give me your teaspoon, and Pei-Ying, can you find a teaspoon? And we'll put in a teaspoon of salt. There you go. Okay, put that in.
It's about
Where's yours?
Smaller.
Okay, hold it level. That's right. And I'll put your salt in.
And I'll mix it up.
There you go. Okay. Now we've got the salt in. Let's see. Oh, we need baking soda. We need a teaspoon of baking soda.
Me.
You want to do here's your baking soda. Do you remember how you did the cornstarch?
Yep.
Are you watching, boys and girls, that you want to make sure that you get it really level?
What size?
You want to do it, Isaiah?
Yeah. My red size?
Yes, your red size. That's 1 teaspoon. And do the same thing and level it at the top. Oh, very good, Travis.
I saw a hole.
Oh, was it whole? Yeah, we don't want the hole because then that means you didn't get quite enough of the baking soda, huh? You want to try it? How about if I let you try? How about if you stir it? And then I'll let you get another one because we're going to measure some oil and water, okay? Can you stir with this one?
Yeah.
Okay, you get it all stirred up real good? Okay, now I need you guys to add, let me move this out of our way.
Watch this.
Because now you're going to add the coconut. Because we want to make sure we have coconut.
Let's get 2 things to mix with.
Okay, you want to add 2 cups of coconut.
Look at this.
Oh, wow.
4 mixers.
Boy, you guys got a system going, don't you? Oh, how are you guys doing over here? Say, measure 2 cups of coconut. Oh, and Christiana, well, we'll do this in our liquid. And you know what, Travis? You need some coconut too. So here, Travis, here's 1 of your coconuts. Travis, there's 1, and I'll get you another one. Well, Pei-Ying, oh, that's okay. We don't mind messes in the kitchen. Do you know why we don't mind messes?
It's fun cleaning them up.
That's right. It's fun cleaning up. Did you get the 2 cups? Good job. Okay, Pei-Ying, since you didn't get to measure the other, would you like to measure some coconut?
Yeah.
Okay, you measure coconut. Yep, use both hands because you want a full cup. Make sure, boys and girls, when you're measuring, you want to measure and make sure you get a full cup, okay? Because that's makes the, oh no, we got to get it full. Yeah, you need it full all the way to the top, Pei-Ying. Good job, good job. Now you can dump it in. Okay, how about if you dump in a cup of walnuts, Travis, and you dump in a cup of dates in yours, and then I'll switch bowls, okay? There's your cup. And Christiana, you want to get a 1 cup, and you can dump in a cup of the carob chips. You can use that. You want to put some carob chips in there, and you get to do that?
Come on.
Good job. Fill that up with carob chips. Want me to help you? I'll hold the sides. How about that? Use both hands. Use both hands. Good job. Good job. Okay, okay.
I'm trying to get these and they're
Would
not
you like to
letting
put some dates
me
in?
have it full.
Okay, you put some dates in.
Funnies.
And there, that's good, Christiana. Good job. Travis, you put some carob chips in yours. Or are you having a time here?
Yeah.
How about if I help you?
Quite a time.
You're having quite a time?
Yeah.
But is it fun time?
Yep.
Yep, then that's good. There you go.
That's kind of hard.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, well, we don't want to lose that one, huh?
No.
Okay.
We got.
Now, you got the
one
dates?
more thing in.
You want to put some, did you got carob chips? Okay, now take your spoons.
What
Christiana,
size?
you're going to need your spoon. Here, you'll need a cup of this.
So.
Good job, Pei-Ying. Now do a cup of raisins.
I found a cup.
Good job, Travis. Okay.
Hey, they don't smell.
All
like
right, did you use your
carob
spoon?
chips.
Okay, now let's set, boys and girls, when you get to this stage, we're going to use a different bowl because we're going to get some wet ingredients. Okay, and we have another measuring cup, and this is a measuring cup that's good for when you have liquid ingredients, okay?
Let's mix
So
this.
hold this.
I'm gonna
Let me look
mix
at my
this up.
recipe. I need a half a cup. So here, and you see on the line where it says a half? Very good, Isaiah. Okay, hold it level. Hold it level. Good job. Now you want to hold a cup for me? Do you want to hold this cup for me and I'll measure a half a cup for you? Okay, hold it real still. Hold it real still. Okay, look and see. Let's make sure. Oh, we got to make sure we get a half a cup. Wait, just a minute. Okay, there. Okay, wait a minute. You're going to pour it in here. Okay? Yep. Because we're going to mix all our liquid ingredients in here. Let me change just 1 minute. Let's switch bowls because we're going to mix our liquid. Oh, where's our water? We have to go get our water. I forgot the water.
Miss Cinda.
Oh, dear. Oh.
You're just like my mommy.
Does she forget stuff too?
Yeah.
Oh, dear. Okay, pour your oil in.
You're being funny there.
Okay, did you guys pour your oil in? Okay.
All the days, my mommy forgot the water beetle.
Oh, dear. Okay, let's make sure I get a half a cup of water. There you go. Dump your water in, and then use your whisk. You want to hold it, Christiana? It's your turn.
Whisk. Get your whisk.
Okay, hold it, Christiana.
Whisk.
And whisk it up.
Whisk.
There you go.
Whiskey.
Okay. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay? Oh, Christiana, it's okay. You remember Miss Cinda doesn't mind messes? Because we like to have fun in the kitchen, don't we? Would you like to hold the vanilla for me?
Look at
Oh. Because you know what? We're going to have fun cleaning up, too. It's just as fun
And
cleaning
I'll
up as it
use-
is cooking. Did you know that?
this.
Okay, guys.
You use your
Who wants to hold this for the vanilla?
Me.
Okay.
Me.
Hold.
Me.
Well, how about if you both dump it together? Because
She got
Jesus
it.
likes it when we share. Okay, you ready? Go! Yay!
Yes.
Okay, now mix it up good. Okay, tell you what, I'm going to help you. Now what you're going to do, you have yours mixed up pretty good. Okay, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to mix it up like this.
Better. Come on.
And now dump all your wet ingredients in here all at once. Can you dump all that in here at once?
My whisk.
Oh, boys and girls, this is fun. Are you having fun, Pei-Ying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's dump all your wet ingredients. Yes, you may.
Could I?
Can you do it together?
Yeah.
Yes. Yay! Good job. Okay, now you need your spoons. Now you need your spoons.
Where's my whisk?
Well, you don't need a whisk,
Did you
sweetie.
take
You need
it?
No, not your whisk is right here, but now you need a spoon. Okay, I'll help you mix up. And then, you know what?
Let's take a scoop of some of the dry
There,
stuff
look.
and put it on.
Travis, can you mix yours up like Miss Cinda is?
I'm mixing
There.
them up. We're
We've
mixing
got
them up together.
ours almost mixed up. Okay. Now would you like to roll it to make cookies?
Yes. Mix down.
Okay. Okay, let's form them into cookies and put them on a cookie sheet.
Yeah.
Clear your space. Put your stuff around. That's our kitchen timer. We have to hurry. Oh, dear. We don't have much time.
We gotta hurry.
Okay, take your spoons. Whoa. Take your spoons and make a cookie with your hand. Lucky for you, boys and girls, I've already made some cookies ahead of time, so you'll get to taste it. Take a little handful of dough. I'm going to put some parchment paper down. Take a little handful of dough and shape it into a ball. You want to put it in a ball, okay? Oh, Travis likes the carob chips. Put it into a ball and make a bigger one. You got to make it big. Let me show you. You're going to you can even take one of your spoons.
Stir it.
Here, you can just take one of your spoons. Here, look, like this. Shape it into a ball like this, look. And put it on your cookie sheet. And I have some already made for you. See, look, go ahead, Travis, take it and make a ball. Do you see what I did? Oh, perfect. Put it on the cookie sheet. And then just flatten it a little bit with your fingers. Oh, there you go. And I have some I've already made that you guys are going to get to try, okay? Oh! What do you guys think?
Miss Cinda, this is good.
Well, guess what? Oh, that's our timer, our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time.
We buried this.
And good thing for you guys, look what I have. I've made you, and look in the oven. I have some more cookies. Remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.